Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. If you have ever stood at your front door struggling to find your keys while holding heavy bags, you know exactly how frustrating that can be. We are taking a look at a smart fingerprint lock today. Finding the best smart door handle lock will totally change how you enter your home and keep it secure. Let's get started. Designed for users who need a perfect blend of high-end security and total convenience, the Yummery YR01 Smart Door Handle Lock brings some incredible technology right to your front door. This is not just a standard lock, it is a complete upgrade for your home or your rental property. One of the best things about the Yummery YR01 Smart Door Handle Lock is that it gives you 6 different ways to unlock your door. This variety is fantastic because it means you are never going to be locked out again. First off, you have fingerprint recognition. This is probably the most convenient method because your key is always with you. You just place your thumb on the handle and it unlocks in an instant. It is fast, reliable, and feels very futuristic. If you prefer using your phone, there is a Bluetooth-enabled mobile app. This allows you to unlock the door with just a tap on your screen as you walk up to the house. It is perfect for those times when you are already looking at your phone. For family members or roommates, you can set up personalized passcodes. You can give everyone their own unique number so they can get in easily. Then there are key fobs, which are small tags you can tap against the lock. These are wonderful for kids or elderly family members who might not want to use a smartphone or remember a code. Of course, the Yammery YR01 Smart Door Handle Lock also comes with traditional mechanical keys just in case you want a physical backup. And if you add an optional Wi-Fi gateway, you can even use Alexa voice commands or remote control to let people in from anywhere in the world. This range of options ensures that every household member, guest, or visitor can enter securely using whatever method they like best. Setting this up is surprisingly simple. The installation is designed to be quick and effortless. In fact, you can usually get it done in just about 10 minutes. It is made to fit most standard American wooden front doors, which makes it a great choice for almost any home. The best part is that you do not need to do any drilling. It simply replaces your existing handles, knobs, or deadbolts. This is a huge plus if you are a renter or if you just do not want to deal with a messy installation process. Another thoughtful design choice is the reversible handle. It does not matter if your door opens to the left or to the right, because you can adjust the handle to fit either side. This makes the Yammery YR01 Smart Door Handle Lock a very versatile addition to any entryway. Once you have it installed, the mobile app becomes your command center for access management. From the palm of your hand, you can control who comes and goes. You can grant permanent access to people who live with you, or you can create temporary access for visitors. For example, if you have a dog walker or a cleaner coming over, you can give them a code that only works during specific hours. You can even create one-time passcodes for one-off deliveries or guests. The app also lets you monitor unlock activity in real time. You will get a notification and a log of exactly who opened the door and when they did it. This gives homeowners and property managers so much peace of mind because you stay informed even when you are away from the property. If you are a landlord, an Airbnb host, or a property manager, you are going to love how this simplifies your work. The Yammery YR01 Smart Door Handle Lock allows you to manage multiple locks from a single app. Instead of carrying around a giant ring of keys for different units, you can handle everything digitally. This centralized control system helps streamline your operations and makes it much easier to monitor security across different locations. It is a reliable and professional solution for short-term rentals, apartment complexes, and multi-property management. By combining advanced technology with ease of use, Yammery has really transformed the way we think about home access. It is a seamless and modern solution that makes everyday living just a little bit easier and a lot more secure. Your home security should be simple and reliable every single day. Check the price link in the description to see how you can upgrade your own front door. Please remember to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful tech guides and features. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.